Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that space mining, I think, it will be the only feasible solution to avoid the ecological or the environmental consequences of mining on our own planet. Basically, the amount of environmental damage that happens because of the mining activities on Earth, I think. Um, I've already said that the only feasible alternative to this would be, and the feasible and eco-friendly alternative to this would be mining on other planets where there is there is no life, planets which don't have any life, and asteroids obviously that don't have any living organisms and any ecosystems over there. Those places, I think, or any ecosystems with any living organisms inside those in those places, those planets, those asteroids, I think would be the only viable source, or and the only viable eco-friendly source for mining activities in the future. When space travel becomes a reality, when space travel becomes a very daily occurrence, or becomes a very regular thing in our world. But again, for that to happen in the future, sorry for that to happen in the future, we also need to ensure that, or basically, we have to figure out, we humans, I'm talking about we humans have to figure out a cost effective way of mastering space travel. And space travel should be as regular as, or as easy, as intuitive as should be as intuitive as air travel, as traveling on an airplane. So traveling on a space shuttle should be as intuitive, as cost effective as traveling on an airplane. So you get the point that I'm trying to make. But when will that happen? I mean, if you ask Elon Musk, he would say that maybe by the year of 2050. But I think I think I'm wrong in this. I think Elon Musk said in an interview that a proper settlements on Mars would take at least the entire 21st century to master that, or to have a working settlement, or some kind of a working city, or a self-sustainable city on Mars. So that just shows that even an and even an optimist like Elon Musk, I think he will also admit that space travel, although SpaceX has done a lot in making sure that we can bridge the gap between Earth and Mars to a great extent, or maybe figure out a cost effective way of traveling from Earth to Mars in the near future. But traveling from Earth to Mars is one thing, and going to an asteroid and mining that asteroid for our own benefit, that is a very different kind of thing. I don't think any corporation is going to take that kind of a risk, unless we see a visionary like Elon Musk, who basically puts a sizable amount of investment into making sure that we can get to Mars. We don't see people like Elon Musk every day. So Elon Musk is trying to take humanity to Mars, to make humanity a multi-planet species, and so that eventually we humans can become a spacefaring civilization, which is an awesome thing. Not every, but we also need to realize that everyone isn't going to do that. I mean, yes, Elon Musk has his space company. Jeff Bezos is trying to get us to the moon, I think, with his Blue Origin project. Virgin Galactic or something, I think it's Virgin Galactic that is also trying to make a cost-effective space shuttle. I think I might be wrong about it, but yeah. But there are a few companies that are trying to master space travel, or that are trying to do something ambitious in space, but I don't know whether they are going to whether they are willing to fund an expedition to an asteroid for the sake of mining that asteroid. Or maybe I don't have the proper information. Maybe I do not have the proper information. I just remembered right now that I saw a YouTube video with the thumbnail that Elon Musk wants to mine a huge asteroid for gold. I think I saw that thumbnail on YouTube, on one of YouTube's videos. I did not watch the video, but I think Elon Musk. I saw something along these lines that, or at least I saw something on my feed on YouTube that on the recommended videos on YouTube that Elon Musk will be is trying to mine an asteroid for gold. So maybe Elon Musk has that idea in his mind. So maybe Elon Musk will try to do that. Who knows? And if he tries to do that, you know. I'm pretty sure SpaceX stock will go up a lot, because a huge amount of money is there to be made through space mining. And once corporations figure out the most cost-effective way of going to space, getting tapping those natural resources, tapping those resources from an asteroid or from a planet which doesn't have any life, once corporations figure out a way to do that, it's going to be a new gold rush. More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.